नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is Digital Session 2.0. JBN, Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is our second part of the Kant concept of totality and its use in clinical practice. How to work out a case by a Kant concept? First, differentiate the symptom in the general, particular, common, uncommon. This is the concept of Kant. In general, first we can take the mental generals and write out all the mental symptoms and all the symptoms and condition pertaining to the patient himself and search the repertory for the symptoms that correspond to these. And then we are advised to search for such physical symptoms that include the whole being. For example, physical general as are predicted of the blood and color discharges, bodily aggravation and the amelioration, as well as desire for open air, desire for heat, cold air, rest of motions, and which may be only a desire or general feeling of amelioration. जितने भी फिजिकल जनरल हैं जिसमें ब्लड होता है, डिस्चार्ज होते हैं, बॉडी के एग्रावेशन एम्ब्ल्यूरेशन होते हैं, थर्स्ट होता है, डिजायर होती है, डिजायर फॉर ओपन एयर है, डिजायर फॉर हीट है या डिजायर फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ फूड है, एवर्जन है, स्लीप है, ये सारा का सारा फिजिकल जनरल में इंक्लूडेड होता है. सर्कमस्टेंसेस दैट मेक द होल पर्सन फील बेटर और वर्स इज मच ग्रेटर इंपॉर्टेंस देन व्हेन only a part is affected, and these are often quite opposite. The case is further individualized by the using the particular symptoms predicted of the organ function sensation, always giving importance to their modalities, especially the time of occurrence of every symptom until every detail has examined. Then the symptom picture has to be examined collectively, individually, and lastly, the closest fit remedy or the remedies have to be studied in the materia medica until there is no doubt about the most similar remedy. In each case, one must necessarily refer to the materia medica to confirm the choice of the remedy. So we can create a totality on the basis of the concept of Kant. First, we can take the mental general, then physical general, then particular, then common, and lastly, uncommon. So this is the concept of Kant. So if you can understand this session, so please solve the case as per the Kant advice. If you need the Kant repertory, thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly. Thank you.